In this video, we're going to go through some landmark notes and the rules for note stems. So let's start with our landmark notes. These few notes are ones that you should be able to recall instantly. Eventually you want all the notes to be instant recall, but these are good ones to start with. So first of all, up the top here, we're going to have high C. And then the next one is going to be high G, treble C, treble G, which lives in the curly part of the treble clef, easy to remember that way, and then middle C down here. And then in the bass clef, we'll start at the bottom with low C, low F, bass C, bass F, which lives in between the two dots in the bass clef, and then middle C is the same. So now let's add note stems to those. The most simple and straightforward note stem rule is to go as far as the same note again, or an octave. And when you're deciding whether to go up or down, it's about where it is on the staff. So if a note is on the third line or higher, the stem is going to go down on the left. And if it's below the third line, it's going to go up on the right. That's just to keep it as contained as possible within the staff lines. So for my middle C here, let's pretend it's in the treble clef. So it's below the middle line. So it's going to go up on the right hand side. And it's going to get as far as where the next C is, which is that treble C here. So it stops there. It's an octave long. Treble G is also below the middle line. So it's going to go up on this side and it's going to get as far as the next G. So most people err on the side of having the stems too short. So they're often longer than people think. Now the next one, treble C, this one is above the middle line. So the note stem is going to go down on the left and it's going to go as far as where the middle C would be. So that's there. And then the next one, also going to go down on the left and get as far as the G. Now, if you have notes that are 2 ledger lines or more, if they start being on lots of ledger lines, they just all stop at the middle line on the staff. So if we think about this C is going to get as far as there. Okay, and then just to finish it off, we'll do the bass clef one. So this one goes down on the left and it gets as far as F. This one goes up on the right and it gets as far as C, as far as F, and then to the middle line, like that. So hopefully that makes note stems simple enough and gives you a start with a few landmark notes if you're a little bit rusty on your note names. Note stems can be a little bit fussy or feel a little bit pedantic, but they actually help you to draw notation clearly in a way that makes it easier for everybody to read. So it is worth practicing those and they really don't take too long to master. Give it a go.